Google Ads landing page, how to optimize for more conversions. Welcome to our video on optimizing your landing page for better conversions through Google Ads. Maximizing conversions is critical, and your landing page plays a key role. First, ensure your landing page is fully aligned with your ad's message. Consistency in ad copy and landing page content builds trust and encourages visitors to take action. Next, keep the design clean and focused. A clutter-free page helps guide users' attention to the call to action. Incorporate engaging visuals, but ensure they don't slow down page load times. Page speed is crucial. A fast-loading landing page reduces bounce rates and improves user experience. Test your page speed using tools like Google's PageSpeed Insights and make necessary adjustments. Your call to action should be clear and compelling. Use action-oriented language and make the button stand out with contrasting colors. Mobile optimization is non-negotiable. With a significant number of users accessing sites from mobile devices, ensure your page is mobile-friendly. Trust signals can enhance credibility. Include testimonials, reviews, or trust badges to reassure visitors of your reliability. A/B testing is your friend. Experiment with different elements like headlines, colors, or CTAs to see what works best. This data-driven approach can lead to substantial improvements. Remember to continuously monitor performance and make adjustments as needed. Google Analytics can provide insights into user behavior, helping you refine your strategy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on maximizing your online marketing efforts. Thank you for watching.